Hey, what's up, guys? This is Ian, and we're back for another tutorial. And if you watched the tutorial from yesterday, we had kind of showed you how to lay out with the dock panels, and then also doing the menu as well. And so, to build upon the menu that was there, what you're going to do is you're going to have here of your menu item header, and you just want to keep adding that until we get to the right amount. So we're going to highlight and copy, and then we're just going to paste it, paste it, paste it, and you can keep building the menu from there as to whatever you would want. Now you have everything already set, predefined already. So now you just need to look at the header and get the actual the code for the icon symbols. So what we're going to do on this is we're kind of building off my NotePad that we are already seen. And if you did not see the NotePad, if you watched the tutorial, the first one, then you can see that, which was yesterday. Now, as these tutorials go on, we're doing these in segments, and hopefully they're about 10 minutes long or so for the first one. Then the next one, it's just going to be very, very, very simple, and you will be able to do the menu and things like that. So what we're going to do is on the next one, it is going to be the save, and it's E7 4E. So E7 4E, and then you'll come back and you'll see that it's closed off there. So let's just make sure we have everything E7 4E, E7 4E. And then on this one, we are going to put, let's see here, the E is invalid. So let's go back and let's put our ampersand hashtag XE, and then it's 74E. I had 4 E47E. So okay, so that's corrected. So if you look over here, you can see, let me bring this in, fit all. Let's just zoom up to 100%. As you can see, you have the save icon right there. Now we're going to do the next one, which is the open. And the open is going to be the folder. So it's E8, E8, 38, like so. And then you see that it is the folder. So this is going to be your new, and then this is going to be the save. This is going to be the open, and this is going to be, well, I don't know what that one's going to be, so we're just going to delete it like so. All right, so now we have 3 things in our menu. All right, so next what we need to do is, since we have the menu done, we're going to go to the dock panel. And in the next tutorial, we'll get into the dock panel as far as using the scroll viewer and things from there. And I want to apologize if these tutorials seem like far stretched out. But you have your menu now to where you can add your menu. So when you add all of your menu with your icons, then in the next tutorial we'll show you how to actually do those, and that is going to be for the add new, save, and open. All right, so I will see y'all guys in the next tutorial. Until next time, keep it nerdy.